I'm looking for Dave.
Devil.
Dave!
Yeah. Hey! 6 inches block. Where you say they go?
I said I'm looking for your boss, Dave.
Udu.
Oh my God,
Stay here. They look for Dave. All bosses of Dave. All
can
Dave.
you go and call your boss for me?
I check up on the I don't know.
Where is Dave?
It is being with you.
Where is who?
I'm looking for Dave.
So that I'm looking for them and be your own greeting.
No, not Devil. Actually,
they not train you well.
Can you go and call your boss?
Will you shut up your mouth? You don't get family training.
I don't know.
No, family they not born on a train on. Say if you see person wasting you go first of all greet them before anything.
I should greet you.
Do
you know who I am?
Who are you?
Do you know who you're talking to?
Well, if I mag account like this now, you go.
You're talking to your next boss. Hope you know that.
I am. Buying him.
Next boss. You go be next boss, and the boss where you go be na this keke boss nda. You can never be a boss where I go there under. Even if say only you be the woman where get money in the whole world, and I can come am ga no under go. Mmakuru ni mo lo zurich a stupid idiot.
Go and call Dave for me.
This place who be David? Who be David? This place nobody they answer David for here. So it's better you lose road or go back to where you come from.
But where?
If I talk to you, they move.
Did you just hit me?
No!
Oh my God!
Look at move. Yeah, I told Devil. You know, yeah, the same with Devil.
Leave me alone! Dave! Leave me alone! Dave!
I thought they were not getting to cook for us. I go pieces you now. You crazy?
Nigga. Hands up. Close your eyes. Call us boss.
Boss!
Say boss Pius.
Boss Pius!
Boss Nebuchadnezzar.
Boss Nebuchadnezzar!
Say we agree in your government.
Eh?
We agree in your government.
Fuck up!
We agree in your government.
Say may God bless us.
Fuck up!
May God bless us.
Let's go look for the landlord.
May God bless us.
No be us.
Weapon will be near us. Say may God bless us.
Us.
May God bless us.
Like that.
Eh?
Like that.
Like that.
My God is there.
First up. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Come on. Close your eyes.
Sorry, sir.
What do you want? Wait, so if I allow you now, this small play, we won't play. If I tell you what I want, what kind of anaconda? You want to bring anaconda out? Close it. Close it.
Yes, sir.
The next time you enter somebody's house,
Yes, sir.
whether your papa is governor or not, you will learn how to greet people.
Yes, sir.
Say, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma. Now, so small children are supposed to. By so doing, no be you like that for granted. And so you go enter place, they go rape you, just go thank God, say we day fasting, and God day inside us. Two of us will handle you this afternoon, check in inshallah. Good and that's okay. I know that go there, walk. Close your eyes. Turn your back. Turn your back.
Revise your started.
Remove your hand. Oh my goodness. My nose. Oh. What did they do to you?
I don't follow.
Are you mad?
I don't follow, guy.
Are the two of you crazy?
Deal with
Is
them.
something wrong with two of you? Why would you treat my visitor like that?
I don't follow.
Idiots! Bunch of fools!
Babe,
It's okay.
you need to sack them.
Yes, ma'am. Baby. I'm so sorry. Okay. Hope they didn't hurt you. They did. Sorry, my love. Don't worry, we'll go up, you'll take a shower. I will beat you. Let me...
Baby, go and be chill. All right? Come on, my love. So sorry, baby. Sorry.
Hey! Hey!
Nketa mo na ewu.
Eh? This our Ghana Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh.
Bingo don born pikin.
Hey!
Wait oh. So, Oga Derek, they do small children kwa. You know say all this time they see all this big girl. You go carry this one come. You carry Nkechi come and drop her maka. You carry Winch come and drop her musu. I think say na I say fine. Oh Kenya no Kenya be. This is adult communication. I never know say Oga still they do small children underage. Yeah, teenage. Teenage.
This one they me soprananya Zarimo.
Hey,
I dey tell you.
if na poor person carry this kind of people come now, they go put them for social media. Say rape. Now look am. The pikin for the rich man don't do small thing wey be say this an abomination.
Hey!
Abominable.
I don't know say our guy self dey import Benin winch come this place. See that little winch wey be like tenene tanana to go be langa.
He say he go baff am.
He go baff am.
Oga na our babysitter.
Yeah, I tell you.
Obere omugo.
This guy na quick action o.
Waka omugo. Let's go and watch.
We go watch am.
Come. This girl go cry. Her ringtone go be like.
What is the meaning of this?
It is our little way of saying save Johnny ma.
You are very stupid.
Yes, ma'am.
You are very foolish.
Yes, ma'am.
Idiot.
Yes, ma'am.
My friend, you can open the gate for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Go, get out from here.
No.
Idiot.
It's not worth it. You're crazy. It's not worth it. Don't waste your time. Don't forget. Make sure you call me. Pick up my call. I need that money.
Make I tell you, you think say, Madam know that around, Abi, to tell you say make you cook for us for this house. That's the reason you cannot give us food in this house. Make I tell you, if Madam come, anytime I set my eyes on Madam, I go tell am say, now you, the instruct, what they call it in English? How do they speak up? You know, talk now.
You close your mouth.
I will tell Madam say you the instruct in order for this house. I will tell am.
Nobody instruct. Now this figure. See, I tell you, I know they fear Madam. I know they fear Madam. Lie. Now because me she no come out picketing for my salary. They make me do. Yes, ma. I used to stupid. Yes, ma. Idiot. Yes, ma. You dey mad. Yes, ma. Kado stupid. Yes, ma. Oh, me fear Madam.
Come. Did you really go Joe? Uncle Pilot like come. Make yourself not deceive you. You know the fear Madam. You know the fear Madam. Now when she go fire you like fire service for this house, now you gonna know what to do yourself. Hungry go wire you, That time you go know where you dey.
Me.
What did they worry you?
Me fear Madam. Don't open the gate, John.
Go and bring my food. Make no punish.
Mr. Firing Squad. You know, see your 2 left legs.
What do you want me to do? I've been inviting you, I've been asking you to come. You give me one excuse or the other. Then what do you want me to do? Yeah, well, everybody's fine. We're doing great. Yes. That one is a case study. Do you know he's worse than that time you saw they employed him? He's worse. You know, sometimes he can be funny, but that guy is a case. Oh yes, I think he should be somewhere around. Where's hold on. Hold on. Pius, hey, that's it. Pius! Come. Okay, let me give him the phone so that he's talking to him. Someone wants to talk to you.
Hello, madam. How you doing? British Bakura Jaman, oh. Hey, yeah, since that day when you helped me beg Oga, say make you forgive me. Now that day you enter my mind. I can't give you a pass mark. Everything, if I did like this, I will see you. If I remember that your teeth will break like this, hey, that is not. In fact, you be real African woman. You're black beautiful, eh? You're black beautiful. Nobody don't black beauty for this world.
That's it.
You're very correct.
That's it.
Yes, now that's what I'm saying. You are very beautiful. If you come back now, God they feel. Come.
I'll call you back. Yes. Baby. Hello? What's this? No, what's the meaning of this?
I'm the mono.
Huh? What gave you that right? Like, is it now your duty to invite a girl for me? Are you now to choose when I'll be free or not?
No, I'm going to free. When you're not dog,
are you mad? And the person who told you it was the same girl you're talking to? Huh?
So not be she.
Is something wrong with you? Have you forgotten that there's someone up in my room?
No.
Oh, you don't know? And you're talking rubbish. Stop scattering your mouth.
Another person?
Yes!
Ebe, oh, yeah. Just now. I just say a person come on here this morning. Another person don't come again. Hey! Mami okwa brankiti okubiri na onya machi. Oga beg no vessel. This is people where they come here like say they fetch water. What do they tell them? How they take configure the life? Because the thing, you get life for everybody. Take this person, go green. Take this person. On your mother watch rotation. Wow, here go to school. Come here no bra.
Pious.
Okay.
Get out.
Sir?
I said you should get out of it. Just leave my sight. Get out of this place now.
Yes, sir.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh my God, you be there. I have
I said get out. Get out. You are stupid. Very stupid. Stop food. Stop eat you in this house. What's all this?
What's you going to ask me that kind of question? I be wizard. I be amusu. Why be say anything what I do for this house? The punishment they will give me now to say I no go chop. If we any other measure, small thing, any pakaram thing what I do now, the only punishment they go give me, they go just leave other punishment, not even to say brother chida kelu, more whether is as a compound, more samoto. They go say food where they no say, no only that food I had they used to subscribe myself. And make great food, one and they get some afford them back. You know, say my papa and my mother don't die. Only that food now they take survive. I mean, we have one penas. One day mind go fep.
The good thing I don't understand about you, Pious. Wait, common small talk where you go follow and talk. Now you don't run your mouth like tell when you go up. Eh? Now food now be your subscription. How do they take talk?
If you touch me, if I take this vessel, they vest me now. What?
Who be that?
What is that?
They do fasting. Now who be that? I'm waiting. What the kind of break?
Well done.
You're welcome. But you carry small pikin come for this compound.
We are not kids. Here is my sister.
Uh-huh.
We are Derek and Lizzie's cousins.
Eh? So what's it?
Derek and Lizzie's cousins.
I go see that. Want me say small organ I be una papa? What did they worry you?
Hey.
Cousin.
Wait. What type of insult is that? I didn't get it. Are you deaf or what? We are his cousin, their cousin.
Eh? Ha! Pious, oh! Pious! Cause you to happen here. I beg, come. This one start they give us salt. This one the same be Derek and what you call them again?
What in you and small children they talk? Now how una come Miss Road? Where una mama dey? Eh? How can women go born pikin uta? I have much hana akahuche. I go love where you want to your mom. They no go give them training. How person go leave this small pikin at this time where be say kidnapping and stealing there everywhere? Where una mama go? Una take me.
Hey! Stop it there. Young man, see, let me tell you. If you will not respect yourself, I swear you will lose your job.
Who do?
Yes, sir?
Who was it?
See, good. I'm sick and tired of standing here talking to these two fools. Let's get out.
Hey! What's going on out there? Drop them down! Huh? I said drop her down! Have you lost your mind? What's wrong with you guys?
Small children where they pass.
They're not small kids, that's my cousins! Oh my god, Gold! Perico, oh my god, please call me. I'm so sorry about that. They're actually new employees, they don't know what they're doing. I'm sorry.
As for you both, you will see. In this house, you will see.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Honestly, you are going to lose this job.
It's okay.
Lose your
It's
job.
okay. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Are you guys okay? They're actually new employees. They have no idea you guys were coming. I'm sorry.
They are fools.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
All right.
We're gonna train them to be better. Have you eaten? How was your journey? No, this way. Oh.
Imagine this new method of human beings. So these people, their lineage, they hang on home correctly here.
Chihuahua.
See me first, welcome the dress up. She say, this family, even if not be Madam Pikin, I go marry from Abraham. So now, oh my correctly now, even this our Elizabeth. When I hear about this, so Lisa, Mama, her name is Elizabeth. Forget say the country I'm busy. You have to call it to polish Eliza Moshin. You know? So if anybody marry her now, this kind of thing will go for that person.
But don't cheer, then I want to talk but don't cheer. Go down the low.
Forget it, the own go worse. Because as you don't puff on your nana and you can every on a flush toilet. That the way what those people the pack sheet, call their pack sheet. Waterproof, we need to go talent to Derek. What do them got very tired of?
And my plan that the way they come on, at least the motor will come only once. The motor come 3 times. What is the motor park? Shit, where Derek.
Oh shit, going on and Derek, if you're not now, by the time we go reach where we go on, over there from 1 liter, I'm bringing a little again. Hello, Pian.
Madam, send me down on the cup. See, down. I'm going to be
Is your name not Pius again?
Yeah. Man, can I probably premature death? Mind how you take shout my name for this house? I not be your mate. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Go they call me as if say that your papa give me the name. You know kind. If you want to call my name, call me with respect. Not they call my name a Pius power gone.
Pius, you have started reading this morning. See, I don't have the time. I've told you several times that my name is Prewinkle and not Pre whatever you call it. Please go to the big parlor and get my phone.
Now me they talk to.
I said please, you should go to the big parlor and get my phone.
Me enter big parlor. Go get your phone for small girl like you. Small chekere make I enter, go bring your phone. See, make I tell you. I know they look face. Go ask of me, I get hot temper. The day I go take verse inside this house. Put my hand like this hotel. Now like this you go become. And the best small children. In fact, I go verse. If I verse, now so I go take one left hand hotel. Lift you up hotel. What are they going to take a felele ball? Get down a la tom. Stupid thing. I go beat you like small children. Now so I go take small picking. I dey fight for them. Small picking. Small anybody will touch them.
Pius.
Sir.
What did I hear you say?
Sir?
Oh, you're bitter.
Me.
I said beat her. You didn't know say you want to beat her. Beat her. I want you to beat her in my presence. Beat her.
Okay, I no fit try that kind of thing.
Oh, really?
You gave me power. You didn't even get it by the weekend.
Pius.
Sir?
Pius.
Yes.
What did you tell him to do for you?
I just asked him to go to the big parlor and get my phone.
What are you waiting for?
Which color phone?
Pius, just get inside the parlor and get me my phone. Any phone you see there, bring it for me.
Fool.
Honestly, you guys are really trying. You are trying. I can't take this. So.
My dear, this is a process of solving unemployment issues. Because if you don't employ them, they will be out there and be constituting nuisance. So the best way is employ them. They can be... What's this?
Pius.
No, what's this? Phone.
Oh my goodness. I said I should get inside and get my black phone. My handset for crying out loud.
You mean actually, yeah, now you say any phone. Now you don't turn on black. Phone or carry a baller. Like this thing will make me know they like go message for people who no get sense.
Are you stupid?
Yes, sir.
You're still disrespecting her?
Yes, ma'am.
Idiot.
Yes, ma'am.
What phone did you tell him to bring?
My black phone.
Now get to it now before I change my mind.
Hey, God. Hey, Jesus.
You see, the truth is that these people have a way of curing BP. You understand? With this their stupidity, with time they will change. But sometimes when you look at them, you just laugh away your sorrows. You understand? You see, though mom is actually doing this because of God. You understand? If not, they will all find their way out of this compound. No right thinking person will employ such people in this compound.
Not at all.
You understand? So you're on your own. Manage them, please.
Hey, this one is better than Z-word.
All right. Hey. Respect yourself. Now you will give that phone to her politely. No disrespect. Now do that. No. You don't do that in my presence. Give that phone back. Good. Give it to her politely. Politely, I say. Give it to her. Now.
Politely, I said.
You break my finger.
Is something wrong with you?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to lose your job?
Yes, ma'am.
Now give it to her again. Give it back to her. Give it to her politely. For the last time. Fool.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be the last time you will disrespect anybody, no matter the size, in this house. Do you hear me? Can you hear me? Now get out of this place. Now! No, you come here. Come here. Take this. Go and wash it and bring it back to me. Now. Pious!
Yes, ma'am. Hey. Oh, Chineke, I don't suffer for this house. I don't suffer for this house. Let me see the blood here to come through. When I want to meet boy, I'm sorry, woman give you clothes, may you watch it. Cook and won't give me. Very soon, about this monkey go so carry handkerchief. Now we be like clothes. Come, actually, you carry your work. Come close to me.
Fire.
They love me, Abby.
Wait, so are you crying or what? Pious! So you're crying like a baby. Adult baby. Cry, baby. You want to see your mommy. Share. You guys are not giving this also. Oh my goodness. What?
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.
Love you guys.